Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Life Baker, where we bake the best version of ourselves. Today we are going to talk about a topic which will transform your life completely, and a topic which is very close to my heart also, which is manifestation. As a student or any human being, we all have dreams, goals which we really want to achieve. Through manifestation, we can convert our dreams and goals into reality. There is a step, a process which we need to follow, and through that, we can come closer to our dreams and achieve it in real. So ready? Then let's get started. So first things first, what is manifestation? Manifestation का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay? So let us understand it in this way that it's a practice of bringing your desires, your dreams into reality through the power of your thoughts, your actions and your belief. देखिए, if you believe in yourself that आप ये achieve कर सकते हो तो आप वो actually में achieve कर सकते हो. And manifestation is not a magic or something, okay? It's just a change of mindset. तो basically ये just एक thought process को change करना है. So imagine a life where you are being able to achieve all your goals, all your dreams effortlessly. Doesn't it sound interesting? So let's dive into the process of manifesting. So the first step towards manifestation is you need to set your goals clearly. There has to be clarity in your mind, in your thought. आपको जो अचीव करना है वो बहुत क्लियर और एकदम क्रिस्प होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी वेग, इट शुड नॉट बी अनसर्टन. जो चाहिए वो आप एक्चुअली में पा सकते हो अगर आपके माइंड में क्लैरिटी है तो. ओके, डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट स्टेप इज जस्ट दैट यू नीड टू बी क्रिस्टल क्लियर अबाउट योर गोल्स, अबाउट योर ड्रीम्स. राइट इट डाउन प्रॉपरली. Write your goals, write your dreams. Suppose if you want to score 95% marks in your exams, write it down. If you want to get all India rank in your CA exams, write it down. Be clear. For example, what I did was I made a chart where I wrote CA Priyanka Jain all India rank and there was a box. Okay, so I was very clear ki yes, I want all India rank in my CA exams and I want to fill this box when I get it. So every day when you wake up, you see your dreams, you see your goals and you thrive towards achieving it. Your thought, your actions change according to your manifestation. Vague goals अगर आप बनाओगे तो vague results मिलेंगे, right? So please be crystal clear about your dreams. So the second step is visualization. See, this is one thing which I really like doing. When I was a student, I made a vision board for myself so that I can visualize myself daily in that situation. Suppose I wanted to get a rank. So I used to see myself, picture myself getting a rank, getting, scholarship from institute. Just imagine yourself getting convocated, right? So this is how your mind works towards achieving that goal. So it's just that visualize your success. Close your eyes and see, picture yourself. Think about it, think about achieving it. And then you'll see that your mind has started working towards achieving that goal for you. It will always motivate you to run towards that goal in the right direction. It will let you meet those people who will help you in this journey also. So through visualization, you come nearer to your goals. In fact, I have made a video on how to make a digital vision board also if you want to take a help of how to create it. Okay, if you don't have time with all the crafts and everything, तो आप phone पे भी एक vision board बना सकते हो and set it as your wallpaper. So the third step is affirmations. Write affirmations daily. Say affirmations daily. In fact, you can record in your voice also those affirmations, those positive statements which will shift your mind, your subconscious mind to know your potential, to know what all you can achieve. Okay, for example, I am capable, I am healthy, I am a powerful soul, I achieve all my goals very easily. Everyone is superb in my family, everyone is healthy in my family. So basically everything in present tense you need to write and believe and work towards it. Affirmations train our mind to believe in our potential. आपको खुद पे faith आएगा, आपको खुद पे trust आएगा कि yes, I can do it. By any chance, no matter what, I can achieve everything that I dream of. First of all is your inner self. Inside, you need to believe that you can do it. If there is 1% doubt also, na, so your frequency changes, your energy changes. That should not be done. So the next step is take action. See, you wrote your goals. You could visualize yourself also. But manifestation is just not about writing it, okay? You need to do also. You need to take efforts towards achieving it, okay? तो जो भी आप विजुअलाइज कर रहे हो उसके लिए आपको जो जो चीज़ करना है वो सब चीज़ आपको करना है. तभी यूनिवर्स विल हेल्प यू बिकॉज यू आर हेल्पिंग योर सेल्फ टू अचीव दैट ड्रीम ऑफ योर्स. Right? To set deadlines, set all the steps of achieving that goal of yours. Study in that way only कि आपको वो goal achieve कर पाओ. And आप अगर positive रहोगे तो universe will always try to let you meet people who will help you to achieve that goal. तो actions तो हमें लेना पड़ेगा. You know, just by writing and sitting won't help you. You need to take actions and then work towards thriving that goal, achieving that goal. And the last step is gratitude. Be grateful always for everything that you have. Okay? A grateful mind, a grateful heart has the capacity to achieve everything in his life. A grateful heart, a grateful mind has the capacity to achieve everything in your life. Don't be mean. Don't use people. Okay? आपको खुद पे ट्रस्ट होना पड़ेगा कि आपके पास जो भी है, everything is sufficient, everything is enough and you are grateful for that. अगर आप बार बार स्कैर्सिटी के ऊपर ध्यान दोगे तो जो आपके पास है वो भी चला जाएगा. राइट? सो प्लीज़ बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव एंड यू सी कैसे आपका सब चीज़ डबल हो जाता है. यू नो, ग्रैटिट्यूड shifts your energy, okay, from scarcity to abundance. We start seeing what all we have, okay, and then you see और ज़्यादा आपको वही वो मिलते रहेगा. So be grateful always, okay, always. So make a habit of writing 10 gratitude points daily before you sleep, okay. Make it a habit properly कि आपको पूरे दिन में जो भी चीज़ हुआ, क्या क्या चीज़ के लिए आप ग्रैटिट्यूड फील कर रहे हो और उसको लिखो. व्हेन यू राइट इट डाउन प्रॉपरली आपको एक अच्छा फील अंदर से आएगा. यू विल फील दैट एबंडेंस फीलिंग. ओके, योर फोकस विल चेंज फ्रॉम स्कैर्सिटी टू एबंडेंस एंड योर एनर्जी विल शिफ्ट एज वेल. सो दैट इज़ द स्टेप ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन विच इज़ जस्ट अ स्टार्ट. ओके, बहुत प्रोसेसेस है, बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स है जिसके बारे में वी विल टॉक इन आवर फर्दर वीडियोज़. बट वन थिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एक जो सबसे बड़ा कॉमन मिस्टेक एवरीवन डज इज नेगेटिव थॉट्स. आप नेगेटिव सोचोगे. इफ़ यू थिंक नेगेटिव थिंग्स विल हैपन टू यू. अगर 1% भी डाउट आपके माइंड में आया तो आपका फ्रिक्वेंसी चेंज हो गया. सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू स्पीक, टू राइट, टू थिंक पॉजिटिव थॉट्स ओनली. आपको सोचना भी नहीं है नेगेटिव के बारे में. आपके मुंह से जो भी वर्ड्स निकलता है वो सब में फ्रिक्वेंसी और एनर्जी रहता है. एंड प्लीज़ स्टॉप बीइंग नेगेटिव, स्टॉप टॉकिंग नेगेटिव विद एनीबॉडी. इन फैक्ट यू नीड टू बी वेरी पेशेंट ऑल्सो. आप अभी स्टार्ट करोगे जर्नी, 1 महीना आप करोगे, नहीं हो रहा, ऐसा नहीं होता. यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. You need to have that faith and believe that yes, you will be able to do it. Patience होना बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है. Common mistake is हम negative सोचने लग जाते हैं, हम impatient हो जाते हैं. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. It's true, you know, that manifestation takes time because it's the frequency, the energy जो align होता है सब साथ में. तो it takes time. But you need to have patience, you need to have faith, you need to have belief. Then only you will be able to achieve your dreams. So there you have it, all the manifestation tips for any student or for anyone who wish to start this journey. And I'm sure each and every one of you has the power to create whatsoever you want. It's just you need to believe yourself. So if you found this video helpful, do share it with your friends, your family members, and do subscribe to my channel for more and more videos on such topics. So see you all in the next video. Until then, keep baking the life you love. Thank you.